Under the Student Council Constitution, the IBP supervises, coordinates all institutional intra-law school student activities. He or she recommends action on accrediting student organizations. He or she is the ex officio chair of the Council of Organizations of Ateneo Law. But not everything is written in the Constitution. The IBP is more than these duties. The IBP empowers the students to become leaders in their own right. He or she is like a Wendy to the Lost Boys, a Jedi Council Master Yoda to Luke Skywalker, and Princess Sarah to Lottie. The IBP nurtures the students who lead their organization as well as those who participate in student council activities. How do we know this? We have been exposed to student council activities since freshman year by participating in the Sports Fest, NOTA, and Mr. Law School. In second year, we spearheaded the annual back-to-school party, and in this year, we, in representing our batch to the Student Council, have personally experienced firsthand what the IBP does. And as the saying goes, if you give a man a fish, you feed him for the day. If you teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. And in the same light, the IBP, being one, is not just being a leader or leading the people, but it is touching and empowering the students to lead themselves. It is us giving opportunity to our peers to be able to develop their skills, their talents, to form relations, and to be able to grow beyond the confines of the classroom. And finally, it is being able to take the wheel together and drive towards an empowered Ateneo community. So this Friday, don't forget to exercise your right to vote. Remember my name, vote Lane for SEIBP. Thank you and good day.